dramas, wishing karma forgave us for a past. But I'm the same as my father. What I take in, it could take me apart. I am the same as the things I've done before. The so-called reward always has a fucking price to pay. But a little later I'd rather just vacate a new start somewhere fresh, but starting again it's way harder. Harder. Way harder. Way harder. Harder. Way harder. Way harder.
Let's go.
My name is 8 verse 4, I'm making the verse to make it take the place of your favorite. Yeah, taste of my words like a taser. I'm making wish your mum never forgot the safe word. Like the good girls gone bad, but made worse. Break the dirt, pay first just to make you squirm. The paper's gonna think of me, trying to figure how it's fit. Got me looking like William and thinking about Dipper. The sipping Foster's quick and washing down with a smooth slick vodka kick. Till the grind in my ass like Miley Cyrus to Robin Thicke. What the fuck did you drop in the dream? Is this a pop dream or a top of the pop? So king of rock, cellophane, shit, Madonna and Queen. I'm just a don in my teens and down in bottles and popping a lot of these non-celebs in the magazines. Way harder.